So this is the anchor base. All of the dimensions are available on the part itself. You can see the dimensions right here. If I turn on my constraints, you can see that I did in fact mirror this, so I drew half and mirrored it over. Make sure that you draw from the origin. So now I will extrude this. When you extrude, you want to choose symmetric. You want the origin to remain in the center. We're also going to need this for the rib tool. So 2.86. Now I'm going to select my front plane and start a sketch. I am going to set up for the rib tool. If I go normal to and try to draw a line, it's not going to allow me to snap in place. So I'm actually going to rotate and just draw a line free floating. Now I can select my endpoint and select the middle here and add a coincident constraint. Select the endpoint, midpoint, coincident. So now I have my fully defined line. All you need is a line to create a rib. Select the rib tool, select the sketch, and put in your distance of 0.375. I would do the same thing on the other, or I can mirror this. Now I want to add my fillets, so I could use the wake up center marks from them, or concentric constraints, to use the hole tool. This is a 0.375 or 3/8. I'm just going to rotate around and select the 4 edges. To use the hole tool, you need to have a sketch available. So I'm starting my sketch right here, selecting point, and I'm going to the fillet, and then looking for the wake up constraint of concentric. So these circles are sharing the same center. I have all 4. I could exit my sketch. The hole tool allows me to choose between counterbore, countersink. I am choosing counterbore. And I start with the drill. This is a 0.29. My bore, 0.56, and the depth, 0.19. And now all I have to do is select the 4 points in my sketch to get those in place. I need to add 2 holes, one across the top. I'm going to use this is centered. So I suppose if I go normal to, I could use my origin. And this is a 0.94. That is an extrude and a remove. And I'm switching to up to next. So it just goes through that one part. My next sketch is also another circle that is centered. So I'm going to use the origin again, and it is a 1.31 diameter, an extrude, a remove, up to next. So I want to get this rib to the other side. I can mirror this. This is not a part mirror, it is a feature mirror. The features to mirror are the rib, the mirror plane is my right plane. It's not allowing me to select it. There we go, the right plane, accept. And now I just need to apply my fillets of 0.09. And it's just a lot of edges. I'm going to select these 2 edges where the rib and the 2 faces meet on all 4 sides. And then I'm going to select all of these points. And I would do the same thing here. And on the opposite face. This may seem like a lot of points. It may be worth doing multiple fillets. Shift 7. There is the anchor base.